Yes, I just come up with another mind-blowing video. The question I'm going to answer in this video is, can I replace only the Conrod cap? This is a Conrod cap. Can I replace only the Conrod cap? This is the Conrod. Let us assume that your engine overheated and you notice that the Conrod is not affected, but the cap is affected. Can you replace only the Conrod cap like this? What should be your answer? Okay, go to the comment section and tell me your answer before I go ahead with this video. Or if you have said something in the comment section. Now, let's continue the video. This is a Conrod cap. You cannot replace only the Conrod cap. It is wrong. If something happened to this Conrod cap, then you have to replace the whole connecting rod. You cannot replace only the connecting rod, because in one of my video I've treated that the Conrod is synchronized. The Conrod cap is synchronized together with a specific Conrod. You can see it is numbered, and if you check the body of the Conrod too, you see number here too. That means this cap and this Conrod is meant to work together, so you cannot replace only this one. So if you have to replace the connecting rod cap, it means you have to replace the entire connecting rod apart from the PST. So don't replace only the connecting rod. It can happen sometimes that you notice that this connecting rod, this key here, or your connecting rod cap is bad because of one or two reasons. So because of that, maybe you have to replace your connecting rod, but you cannot replace only the connecting rod cap. You must replace all of them together. Hope you get value from this video. So you have to replace all of them together. If your connecting rod cap is bad, then replace the whole thing together. If you get value for this video, please, can you please give me a comment, tell me thank you, or you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. I found a video that talk a lot about connecting rod. Please, it is in the comments, it's in the description. Can you click one and watch? See you in that video.